So part C says, on the same axis, draw the graph of 5x plus 20. So of course, we know that the slope is going to be 5, and we know the y-intercept is going to be 20. So when we draw our line, we can make sure that we are passing through 20. We're going up 5 units every time we move over 1. So notice where 0 and 1 is. So if I start at 20 and I move over 1, I have to go up 5. I'm going to end up here. All right, so that means what I need to do is I need to bring this over. Let me zoom in so I can make sure I have a thing here. So I have to cross, I have to make sure that the line is passing the y-axis at the number 20. Oh, I'm doing, yeah, so every time I go up 5, I have to move across 1. This is what this slope means. So that means that this is 5 units here, and 1 unit is this right here. So that means I need to bring this down just a little bit more, and then I can just extend the line, and it's going to pass right through this last point that we have here, this way. But it also has to go on the negative side as well. So I'm keeping it this way where it's going to be passing through here. So notice that just based on what we are doing and what we want to do, and increase the size of the line so we can see it a little better. And we leave it like that color, which we can see. So our line, and there's two things I forgot. Our line is passing through 20, and the slope is 5. So that means this is moving up 5 units every time you move across 1. I did not label my axis. Not my axis. I didn't label my parabola. So I need to do that. And I need to label my line. So that means I need a text box here. And this is going to be y is equal to 5x plus 20. So this is what I need to label. I have to label the line, and you need to label your line, and you also need to label your parabola. I will put a note in that particular video, so I'm going to just make sure this is there, like so, and then I'm going to just come over here, and I'm going to turn this a little ways like so. So this could be on my parabola. And this one was, I have to go back and verify. Okay, it's 5x minus 5x squared minus 20 minus 10. Okay. All right, so I need to make this a power. And now I can do that. And so I can increase the width of this so it can, there we go. So now I can fit real nice right. I just need to grab this and move this over like so. Okay. So I didn't label the parabola in my previous video. I'll go back and put that in the comments. Hopefully people would read the comments. But if you're watching this video and if you watch this as part of a playlist, do realize you can, like the same thing, if you're in an exam, you can go back and put in things you may have neglected. So we now have the line y is equal to 5x plus 20, and we have the parabola y is equal to 5x squared. Oh, I didn't put the x, so let me put that x there. Minus 10, and that's hopefully that fit. Let's just check, and yes, we can zoom out and have a look at what it looks like now. So this is what we will have at this point.